Alright, I got the passenger side opened up now. I'm gonna do this one different though. I'm gonna change up the I'm gonna change this up. I don't want it painted no more. It's cool as long as it would match your car. You know, when I paint the car, better fuck all that. But, so stay tuned. Again, you know they dull, so they dull, but I'm gonna clean them up. Got some 2500 wet dry sandpaper. I'm gonna clean them up nice and clear. Stay tuned. Alright, I had to come to the yard real quick, grab another headlight. This Lincoln. This one dull, but I'm gonna clean them up. They want 35. She want 35. I'm gonna see if I can flirt with her, get it for 25. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm about to go and get to it. Think I'm gonna, that chrome, might paint black inside. I'm about to clean up this lens a little bit, see what I could do. Stay tuned. Alright, I got it cleaned up. Back in. So there we go. Nice and clean. Brand fucking new. I gotta do this one because I was gonna leave it like that, but I don't even want that no more. So I'm about to get to that. I'm gonna see if I just get this off. If I can get this off, then I ain't gotta use that light I just got. I just clean this up and do what I do.